How is the waste situation in India, the most populous country in the world, unfolding? Through today's video, you may learn a part of the story about this densely populated country. Due to the large population, waste segregation has become a means of livelihood for a significant portion of the population. Despite the potential health risks associated with this work, as you cannot know what diseases these wastes might carry, it has become an income-generating activity for many. Dust covers everywhere, from early morning to late at night. Burning waste results in smoke and pollution, sounding a more alarming situation. Respiratory diseases affect the daily lives of many children. Waste is increasing daily, but how to handle it to minimize health risks is almost inversely proportional. Those who choose jobs operating excavators and bulldozers to handle waste have higher salaries but are in direct contact with these wastes. Consequently, water sources are also contaminated. Waste burning produces toxic fumes and sometimes leads to wildfires. People living around garbage dumps often experience a lower quality of life. The government is striving to implement the best measures to help them escape from this situation.